Tama na nga mga kaibigan. Eto na. This is your time para finally makapag-judge na kung sino talaga napipisil yung manalo ngayong gabi. Again, our criteria for judging: physique and body proportion 40%, personality and character 30%, team presentation 20%, and audience impact 10% for a total of 100%. And of course, I would just like to thank our panel of judges. Ayan, our panel of judges. Maraming salamat po for being with us this evening. Deputy General Manager of Talents Manila, Ms. Jen Pogue Ignacio, maraming salamat po. Seasoned fashion stylist and designer, Mr. Jonathan Alegrio, thank you po. And of course, Managing Director and CEO of Talents Manila, Mr. Carlo Martin, thank you for gracing this event. Okay, at maraming pa tayo upcoming na elimination round. Okay, our next set of elimination will be on March 21. Next is March 28. So please mark your calendars. Next is April 11, April 18, 25, May 2, 9, 16, and 23. Ayan, so please mark your calendars. Kung wala naman po kayong ginagawa at gusto nyo pong ma-entertain, no? Habang nagsha-shopping dito sa Easy Town Cinema Complex, please do come over and we will be having so much fun. Ako, nakaka-excite naman po. And to all the women, dito po dito ngayong hapon, at sa ating lovely ladies, talagang magbigay ang kanilang lahat upang mahirap at maging confident on stage. Happy Women's Month po sa inyo. Ang gaganda niyo po. You look very beautiful and confident. Okay, now it's time for you to judge, madlang judges of Isaton Cinerama Complex.
Okay.
Now it's time.
It's time.
Habang tinatabulate nila ang score. Ako, nahihirapan yung mga judges.
Tatabulate.
Ito na. Vlogger ko. Ay, nag-vlog ka ba ngayon? Naka-live ka?
Yeah,
Ayan, I think it's time na parang mapisil mo kung sino sa tingin mo. Overall, no? Ito yung titipong judge na pang-overall na eh. O sige, madlang judge. No, it's okay. That's part of the competition. Meron talagang hindi napipisil. At kanya-kanya tayong preference.
Okay, yung blue face, yung number 4. And number 1 is 6. 5, 3, tsaka 2 and
And 1. Okay. Parang lahat na. Parang daw hindi bias. O yan, dito naman tayo. Ito si Mommy. Mommy, meron ka na? Yes. So ladies muna tayo dahil Women's Month. Happy Women's Month sa iyo. Number 4 and 5. Isang morena at isang maputi. Okay. Ano po nakita nyo sa kanila? Sa tingin nyo gabi nyo na pang Summer Bodies Quest.
Yes.
Ano napili mo na? Ano ba nakita mo sa kanila? Magaling siya.
Yes.
Yan, okay na. Okay na to? Vlogger po ba kayo? Kayo po ba yung vlogger na nagluluto? Ayan, dito naman tayo. Sino yung kanina na, na mamaya na daw siya magja-judge? Ayun, ito. Ayan. Alam mo, di kita babalikan ha. It's time for you, not lang judge.
So first, I will choose 3, 4, 5.
Sana sinabi mo na lang.
And for the guys, I will choose 6, 7, and 5.
Thank you so much. Loving the confidence ko po. May pinapasabi po, loving your confidence that makes you more beautiful. Yes po, kayo po.
Number 6, number 7 sa lalaki. Tapos si Ora, number 3, tama ba? Tapos sa babae ko, 1 sa yung 5.
3, 1, and 5. I love it. Red? Nagbago. Oh my God. Kailangan natin marikay. Dahil Women's Month, unahin natin ang mga girls. Number 1, what can you say to the audience na mga talagang supporters mo?
Well, first of all, thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much, for empowering people of my sizes. Because in our world, pageantry speaks stereotypes when it comes to petite and very slim women. But I am here to represent people of my kind, the plus size and curvy girls that we also do deserve coming into pageant and competing with every other woman.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God, at pala may question and answer to. Dumugo yung ilaw ko. Represent. Ang galing ng English mo, ma'am. Oo. Tapos nasa school ka. Tapos na. Ang sa Dallasong University, English, nice. Kaya mga English niya, that's one. Nice to meet you. How about you, number 2? Can you say naman sa inyong mga supporter?
Thank you for all my supporters. And nararamdaman ko lang po today is pressure kasi I'm not in pageant that I look forward to.
Pero medyo, medyo magkalapit sila ng konti. No? But you showed naman confidence. And good luck ha, number 2. O ikaw naman, number 3. May mga maraming nag-vote sa'yo. What can you say?
Hello, good evening. Thank you for for choosing me and spending time here. And also, I just want to thank my manager, Miss Lizelle, and also Miss Mami Donnie for my makeup artist. I feel so blessed and grateful. Yun lang. Have a good day.
Happy Women's Month talaga. Nakakatuwa kasi like, yung energy na pinapakita nila on stage. At ngayon, habang sumasagot sa kanila, nakakatuwa na in this time, no, women are still confident and they still feel beautiful. Congratulations. Doon pa lang panalo na kayo. How about you, number 4?
I'm feeling nervous and at the same time happy because there are so many people supporting me po. Thank you.
Nervous daw siya. Pero parang hindi ka mukhang nervous. Okay, number 5.
Hello, good evening ladies and gentlemen. I am Shaira. First of all, thank you po sa mga pumunta ngayong araw ito at nanood sa amin. Maraming salamat. And secondly, thank you so much to Tita Chris for giving me this opportunity today. Actually, this is my first contest here in Manila because I'm from Zamboanga City. And lastly, of course, thank you so much sa very supportive boyfriend ko dyan. Thank you, Bobby, and love you.
Ay, sana ako.
Valentine's ba? Huwag ganun, di ba? Makakainis eh. Okay na eh. Joke lang. Hindi, okay lang. Talagang boyfriend's day ba ngayon? Joke lang. Hi, boyfriend! Yes! Gano'n na kayo makagal ng boyfriend?
Ako lang po,
6 months? Maghihimalay ka yan. Hindi, joke lang. Joke lang. Uy, ayos ka ah. Tingnan mo naman, ang ganda-ganda ng girlfriend mo. Okay, dito naman tayo sa boys. Ayan, ano po ang masasabi niyo sa inyong mga pumalakpak, sumuporta po sa inyo? Number 1, what's your name?
Thank you po sa lahat sa support na po. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Thank you, Justin. How about you? Number 2?
First of all, thank you po Mama Ryan sa todo effort para gawin sa mga susuotin ko. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you.
Oh, sweet. How about you, number 3?
Manood sa lahat sa Panginoon and thank you for giving such a wonderful opportunity sa Alubans.
First time mo? No? Saan ka? Okay, bawal. Hindi kasi pag iba, nandito din. Okay. Good luck ha. Good luck sa'yo. How about you, number 4? May paki-smart ka pa dyan, di ba? So, kanino lips yan? Okay. Ay! Pero kiss yung Mark, di ba? Jowa mo ba yan? Hindi ka ba yung jowa mo? Yes. Kasi tukay ko yung jowa ko, baka hindi ka balili, joke na. Do you have anything to say to your fans, yung mga nag-support sa'yo, yung mga bumong sa'yo?
Yun guys, maraming salamat sa mga sumuporta. Yung mga random na tao na nag-comment sa akin. Yung especially po yung sa nag-invite sa akin, sa award niyo po na assist sa amin. Thank you sa mga nag-invite. Salamat po sa mga nandito. Pati na rin po sa George, tsaka sa rin po sa akin.
Oo, thank you nga pala sa ating photographer, Mr. Chester Alaguro. Napakagaling talaga. Ganda ng pag-transition ng galing ka ng pagpadayagan mo. Thank you po. Next, number 5.
So, good afternoon sa lahat. Nagpapasalamat pa ako sa napaka-cheesy at napakaganda, si Ma'am Tricia at ang aking handles na si Cesar. At saka sa mga judges, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Summer Bodies, hindi kayong nagsasawang tangkilikin itong Summer Bodies na to. At saka sa mga Mapon people, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ako pala si Marco Ramos, 27 years old, ang nag-iwan sa inyong katagal. Aaminin nyo naman yung magandang lalaki at mahal, so kung hindi naman kayo kaya magyan ng kaligayan, dito na lang sa akin, kaya bibigay ito sa inyo.
Sino jowa mo? Wala ba? Ay, dito na lang kayo sa akin. Hindi na sila. Tinapos mo na yun. Nag-full package. Sige, number 6.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you po sa pag-welcome sa amin lahat. Iniimbitahan ko po pala kayo sa March 21 sa SM North EDSA. Nandun po ako nag-grocery.
Kung nag-promote ka pa ng ibang mall, gusto mo masuspindi ka dito. Bawal nga, ibang mall. Isipan ka pa, isipan. Saan ka mamimili?
SM North.
Isipan ka. Judge, bawasan to. Saan ka mamimili?
Sa isipan.
Love ka na namin ulit. Number 6, may 7.
Magandang gabi po. Since ano naman po, di na bago, pero salamat pa rin po sa mga sumusunod. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo.
Nakakatawa naman. Gusto-gusto nila mapa-enjoy kayo. And of course, sa mga... Again, sa mga gustong sumali, baka may kakilala kayo gusto sumali, please invite them over and let's have fun. Oy, nakakakilig. And again, tama yung sinabi ni number 5, no? Thank you for sa Talents Manila and of course sa bubuo ng isip ng Sierra Complex. Thank you for bringing in pageants like this kasi nakakawala talaga siya ng stress. Okay? Now, it's time. But before we announce the winner, may we call in front one of our judges, esteemed fashion designer, Mr. Jonathan Alegre, in helping us award our first elimination winners. Okay. Here we go. Start muna tayo sa mga babae. Ang mga ay above. Ladies first. Again, happy Women's Month po sa inyo. Mga kababaihan. Start tayo in no particular order. Uy, ibig sabihin na in no particular order, we have more than one. Isitan, who's your best? Ay, parang may nakahula. Our first grand finalist. Our first grand finalist who will join us, of course, the grand finalist for the Summer Bodies Quest Year 7 is Babe number Next up, our next winner, our next babe, who will join us on the grand finals is babe number. Is your babe? Babe number 3, Fiona John Lakay. Congratulations. Oh, Moreno Beauty. Ay, congratulations. Picture? Congratulations, babe number 3. At ito na, meron pa! Babe number? Babe number 4, Grace Ann Medelis. Gusto ko rin. Ibigay mo. So our babes and winners, thank you for joining. And congratulations for the beauty you have shown to the world. And the confidence you've shown to us. We'll see you guys on the next season, please. Huwag kayong mapapagod sumali. Now it's time to call our hump winners. Nice. Starting off with Isaban, who's your bet? Number 7, Jo Marie Lina. Thank you. And the blue. That's the grand finals. Siyempre, meron pa tayong winners. Dahil alam namin na love nyo sila. Okay? Our next hunk winner who will join us on the grand finals is hunk number